In recent years, Samsung has been focusing on its Galaxy Fan Edition series of devices. These devices offer important features at a lower cost. This year, Samsung seems to be preparing several new Fan Edition series products. These include a new foldable phone and a smartwatch. Let's go over what we know about these upcoming Fan Edition devices. The next phone in Samsung's Galaxy Fan Edition lineup might be the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition, coming sooner than expected. Reports suggest that Samsung has begun producing display panels for it, featuring a new display driver IC from Anapass. This could lead to slimmer bezels and a thinner phone. The S24 Fan Edition is expected to have an FHD Plus screen and possibly a 120Hz LTPO panel. It might run on either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400 chipset, making it closer in performance to the regular Galaxy S24 series, rather than feeling like a mid-range device. While the exact release date isn't confirmed yet, rumors suggest it could arrive in the second half of the year. Recently, there's been talk about Samsung working on a new smartwatch as part of its Fan Edition series. According to reports, Samsung will launch a new version of the Galaxy Watch 4 called the Galaxy Watch Fan Edition. This smartwatch is expected to be available globally, including in South Korea and the United States. It will likely come with model numbers SMR866F, R866U, and R866N. Interestingly, the model number of the Galaxy Watch 4 is SMR86F, suggesting that Samsung is indeed planning to introduce a new version of it. The Galaxy Watch Fan Edition is expected to have a similar design and features as the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, including a physical rotating bezel and running on Wear OS with One UI on top. Samsung is rumored to be developing a more affordable foldable phone expected to launch later this year alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 6 series. According to reports, this cheaper Fold variant could be priced around $800, which is significantly lower than the Galaxy Z Fold 5. To achieve this lower price point, the phone might feature a mid-range chipset, a cheaper display, and a slightly smaller battery. Despite these compromises, it's said that the more affordable Galaxy Fold will have the same camera setup as the regular Galaxy Z Fold 6. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.